Hey, you are watching Stay Orders channel and this is Anand. So this video is intended for new Progate users and if you are having problem watching your subscription details, your billing details, I'm going to tell you. So when you log in, this is your dashboard. It shows your progress, your coding and everything. And here when you click on your name, so you will see account settings. You go into account settings, and after going into account settings, there will be three tabs: profile tab, password tab and billing tab. So on the rightmost in the billing, you will see all your billing details. And when your account, your Progate Plus subscription will end, at that time you will get uh, option to renew your subscription. So for example, my plan Progate Plus is available from August 26, 2020, 10 Indian Standard Time until February 2021 and 22 February. Okay, so 10 IST. So to receive help regarding your team plan settings, contact us from. But I'm telling you because I have renewed once. I know that when your subscription ends, so then you you get a chance here itself to renew. Okay, so yeah, thanks for watching. um, if you have any doubt, you can leave in the comment. Thank you again. Yeah.